All right, so let's have a look on the trend pattern one. The first pattern that we have is pretty easy to understand. We are looking at this bullish trend here. Market came up from extreme down. This is the lowest point it had. Okay, it created a lower high. After creating a lower high, it went and made a higher low. Now maybe we don't know why it made it here. It's fine, it's completely fine, because as soon as we see market creating a higher high here and exactly to the last high that we had, market taking support or creating a lower high or creating a higher low, which is this one, we know that the market will move up. So what did we got? We got an opportunity here. We got an opportunity here to long, right? This is the trend pattern first. If market continues to do a breakout and retest the breakout again and again, every time we are getting an opportunity to long here. That is how the trend actually helps us in taking a trade. Always remember, trend can help us in a lot of ways to take a trade. We just have to keep our mind open, not be biased, never be biased. That okay, let's suppose we are taking continuous long trends here, but as soon as we see the first lower low made, lower low, we have to stop in this opportunity, in this setup. Okay, let's have a look on the bearish trades as well. Market is coming down from the extreme top, goes and make a bottom. After that, it creates a higher low, a lower high. After creating the lower high, it breaks out here. It breaks out, which gives us the starting of the range. Once the range is created, this was the extreme past, which has made the market stop here. After this was created, we can enter into a long here, keeping this as the TP, and the same thing as the TP is done, we can wait for the market to come down a little on a small time frame. Once the market come down, this is the area we enter into a short, keeping this as the stop loss and this as our TP. If after that we are looking for a breakout range, we can wait for the market to break out again, and hence this can continue. This can continue in trades, right? But the trend pattern actually helps us in this area. I mean, I would like you that if you are looking at higher highs continuously making up and you're trying to take a trade with the trend pattern, stick on the intraday level, stick to 2 or 3 maximum bullish trends or bearish trends trades, and that's all. Don't expect too much from the market to give you on an intraday level. All right, okay, so let's move ahead to the next trend pattern 2.